Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to another video. So you guys, I went out prepping again. I pulled some money out of each week of grocery money. I pulled out $15 for each week. And so I had $45 to go. Of course, I gave some money in church, so I had less than that. And then I also pulled out my hair money because I'm just going to leave it like this. I'm not even worried about a haircut this month. I may not even get a haircut before January. I may get an edge up, but I'm not worried about it right now. A couple things. I'm still feeling very unprepared. And I've not felt like this before because I prep. I do all this. I've been doing this for years and years. But I feel unprepared because I've been on keto and Whole30 and I've just not been in that prep game where it's anything goes. And so I've just been trying to follow those people that I can follow. I saw Tangy going through her pantry yesterday. And that just really blessed me because I was able to kind of look and see some of the things she was doing. And so, of course, we're all out here just helping each other. Take what you can, do what you can. But I still don't feel quite prepared like I want to feel. So I'm going to slowly but surely continue to prep. I did go to Aldi today, so I did want to show you some things that I got. And I got some things that were not for prepping. We have a little friend over for lunch, so we picked up a few things for the kids. And everything else I got was for the pantry. So let me show you what I have and run through it real quick. Okay, so this is what I got from Aldi. Not this. This is lunch. I got 2 packets of the Clancy pretzels. These are just for the pantry. They were 82 cents each. Then we picked up some chips. We got sour cream chips and kettle chips. That's for lunch today. They were $1.49. More expensive. We got bagels. They were $2.69 with $1 off. Now, let me tell you about my kids, right? I told you they're going through my preps. I bought 6 bags of bagels, I think, 2 weeks ago. All 6 bags are gone because we found them at Aldi for 75% off or something like that. Found them at Aldi for like 75% off. And Jackson's like, well, Mom, the date was going out, so we needed to eat them fast. The freezer will hold them. So they're going through my stuff. I've got to get a hold on that because I cannot continue to just buy food for them to consume at that rate. So I did buy these for the freezer. I picked up 3 more things of grits because we are running low on these. I didn't pick up an awful lot of them, but we went through one in like a week. But of course we did several meals, but still I need to have that. Almond milk we just forgot in the grocery haul this week. This was a steal. This is 40 ounces of barbecue sauce. I found this marked down for $1.59, so I picked up 3 of those. And then this mild chunky salsa was 95 cents, so I picked up 2. Because that the last one I got was hot, and we don't like hot. Okay, then I picked up 2 cans of pumpkin, 85 cents each. Picked up relish. They were $1.59 each. Tangy was talking about condiments, so I was trying to pick up some things. Picked up 4 things of Jiffy cornbread at 47 cents, and then I picked up 4 things of evaporated milk for 66 cents. We got grapes, and we got some raspberries. Alrighty, you guys. So what I was saying earlier is that I just don't feel like I've prepped enough. I'm just going to keep at it. I'm going to not let it drive me nuts, but I am going to keep at it. So if you think about it, would you be willing to, in the comments, to tell me some of the things you're prepping? Not the things you've already seen me prep, right? But what are some things that I don't have that you do have, that you feel are necessary, that are a must-have in a prepper pantry? I don't can, right? So I don't can. My garden is not producing right now, but we have to go out there. I thought I would have some time this weekend. No time. So I am planning to get Jackson out to help me next weekend on Saturday to get some garden stuff done while Alana's at work before pie night. Don't worry. Because next week is pie night. And so I do have to have some stuff done for pie night. But I just don't, I don't feel like I have, I feel like I let it lapse a little bit, maybe during the summer months, just somewhere in there. And now I'm playing, what I feel like is I'm playing catch up. I don't think that I had not planned on the prices going up so high so quickly. You know what I'm saying? Like I thought once I decided to get back on the game, I was going to have time. But every single week, prices are increasing. And it's like, what is going on? But anyway, we're going to keep on keeping on. But again, if you can think of something that we don't have that you think would be helpful, let us know. I am going to look on Amazon to see if there are any charcoal grills that I can get. I may even just have to get a little tabletop. I'd like to get a full-size one, but we'll see. I have my regular grill outside, which is perfectly fine, but it's propane. And I want to be able to make sure that I can use something different if I need to. I've also thought about building a fire pit in the backyard. I want to do a fire pit. Haven't done it, but I want to be able to do it. So I'm going to give it some thought and see what happens. But anywho, there it is, you guys. I've got a couple things just kind of stirring in my head, and we'll see what happens as we progress and move along. So thank you guys so much for stopping by. If you like the video, thumb it up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye now.